Hello Hot Wheels fans, welcome to Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides for another unboxing and review video. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 from Race Day set. It's 7 out of 10 of this set, released for Hot Wheels 2025 series, and it doesn't have a treasure hunt or super treasure hunt name stamp on the card itself. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing and reviewing. Okay, here's the card that comes out of the packaging. This color is pure gold, nice prints around, including Bentley logo on the front, but not on the rear because it's not included, along with details on the rear and the front. But however, nice wheels, cool prints with number 4 on the left, right, and the front, along with Bentley and Hot Wheels logo around. It does have a Bentley logo on the spoiler. Such an amazing casting, and this was a perfect GT3 for Hot Wheels Race Day collectors. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and don't want to miss out, then please leave a like, subscribe and turn the notifications on, because I'm trying to get this channel to reach 100 subscribers. But this is Hot Wheels Tracks and Rides, and I'll see you in the next Hot-tastic video. Peace and Merry Christmas.